Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check Roblox animation menu system showcase. So let's start. First, well, it's important to tell you that you can create your own menu on your Roblox animation, and when you create it, well, you can add or something else, and it's very easy. Well, depend on what you want to try. In this case, I don't have the game for animation Roblox, but I can show you how many people create it and the difference and one menu another menus from other users here. So for example, we have this is menu as normal menu here, and it says that he want to add more things, of course, but well, this is their menu that he prefer right now on Roblox. So as you can see, it's simple, but you can create one of you prefer if this is your first time. Also, we have this one for the menu here. This is different, and well, as you can see, this is another kind of menu on Roblox, and we have this one as well too. This is more different too. We have here a different menu, and well, depending on what you created, well, you can add options on your menu, and well, it will depends on what you want to create on your Roblox animation. Well guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.